thinking, I don't know.
Welcome back, nail queens. I'm really excited to show you guys the Candy Hearts collection from Soul Dips. It is releasing today on Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this collection is to die for. I'm obsessed with all of the colors that are in this collection, and I can't wait to show them off to you. I Dig You is my favorite glitter out of this whole collection. It's got so much going on in it, and it reminds me of a gorgeous flower bed. So I'm going to show you guys all the elements that come in it. You have these peachy pink heart-shaped glitters. Then you have green line glitters that remind me of grass. And then you got some iridescent stars, hexagons. So much is going on in this. It reminds me of flowers, but hearts. It's just so beautiful, and seriously, my favorite color out of this entire collection. XOXO is another heart-shaped glitter mix, but this one is all pink. So you got some pinky white hearts, and then pink base and pink hex glitters. There's so much pink going on. Sugar has completely stolen my heart. Blue is one of my favorite colors, and this is a blue heart glitter mix. I really love it. So you have baby blue hearts and then different tones of blue, and it looks to be like a light green in here. It's really, really pretty and great for non-traditional Valentine's Day manis. Wink Wink is a pastel purple heart-shaped glitter mix, so we're still in the heart territory, and it kind of shifts to blue, and there seems to be like some blue in it. I really love the blue added hints into it. I'm really into pastel colors and pastel purple. I normally don't lean towards darker purples, but this is really pretty. I Burn For You is your non-traditional heart glitter mix, perfect for Valentine's Day, non-traditional manis. It is a clear base powder with a black hearts and different kinds of shards that give off tones of green and pink. It's really beautiful, and I can see this in a lot of non-traditional Valentine's Day manis. Without You, I'm Blue. Can we first talk about all these incredible names? Well, Without You, I'm Blue is a blue-based glitter mix with pinky purple, kind of like lilac heart-shaped glitters in it and iridescent shifting glitters. I'm a blue gal through and through, so I love this glitter mix. Amor is a traditional Valentine's Day glitter mix with your deeper red heart-shaped glitters. I am so in love with this color. Normally I don't really lean towards the traditional Valentines, but this really speaks to me. I love the clear base and how all the colors reflect back at you in those iridescent glitters. It's absolutely stunning. Kiss Me Like the First Time is a smaller glitter mix. It has yellow, pink, and turquoise blue. I love turquoise blue. Anything with turquoise blue in it, I'm automatically buying it. So I really like these finer glitter mixes. There's a couple more that she's having in this release that I think are totally a must-have. Your Spicy is the same consistency as the previous one. I really like this one because it reminds me of like, something spicy, picante, hot. So you got yellow and then this really nice hot pink, and I feel like it's reflecting back orangish red. Really spicy vibes. Treat Yourself is one of my favorites. You just mixed my two favorite colors, which is blue and pink, together. It's one of the finer consistency glitter mixes. It's super easy to use. So you have this nice aqua medium blue and this really nice hot deep pink. It's stunning. True Love is a classic Valentine's Day glitter mix, so you have a reddish pinky base and fine red glitters and then different sizes of hexagon shape glitters. Not too much, not too chunky, just the perfect amount. Alexa Play Love Songs is another classic Valentine's Day mixture. So this one has different size hexagon glitters. You got the smallish and medium ones, and the colors are more like a purple and a deep pink combo. I really like this for a simple, subtle Valentine's Day mani. Text Me is a solid jelly-like sheerish color. You can see I'm wearing it here on my thumb and my index. I really like this color. It is perfect for spring, and this is only 2 dips of the color, so I'm sure if you do more dips, it's going to look more opaque, but with 2 dips, it had a nice jelly sheen to it. Choose Happiness is a perfect darker medium pink with the most beautiful blue shimmer in it. It looks blue to me. It is so stunning. The shimmer is very subtle, but it catches the light very nicely. I love this, and it also is more of a jelly-like color. Very Single is perfect for those who either don't celebrate Valentine's Day or they like the non-traditional colors for Valentine's Day manis. So this looks to have like a very deep purplish blue base with hints of greenish blue shimmer in it. It's kind of hard to tell the shimmer, but it's really pretty. I Got You Babe is like pink diamonds. Seriously, it has a beautiful bubblegum pink base and silver diamond-like irregular shaped glitter. I absolutely love this. I decided to wear it today. It is stunning and a must-have. Say Yes is a nice like pinky, almost rose gold, not necessarily rose gold, chunky glitter mix. So it's the right amount of chunky. You don't have too many larger glitter pieces. It's mostly smaller glitter pieces in the background. I really like that because it makes these glitters so much easier to work with. Love You is a foil mix, so it has a sheer pink base to it, then lavender foils and red foils. I love it because it has all three of your standard Valentine's Day colors mixed in together in one way or another, and I think it's really, really pretty. Keeping on the foil train, You and Me is a flaky foil. So what I mean is it has a base of like a milky white base with flakes in it. So it looks like chameleon flakes that reflect like pink and yellow orange, but you also have these gorgeous rose pink foils in it, giving it so much depth and dimension. Crush is absolutely amazing. While I'm not usually a darker purple fan, this one is so unique and different because it has like a seafoam green flaky foil inside of it. It's really gorgeous, and you also pick up hints of like a pink and orange in there. So this one is really pretty and goes great with turquoise. You're Cute is really beautiful. So it's your soft, like softer than bubblegum pink, and it has like these silver pieces. I'm not sure if I should call them flakes or foils. They're really easy to use and they give like this mirror look to them, so they're very reflective and it's just stunning. Okay, so this about wraps it up, but I'm going to show you guys all these different sets together. So these are all the heart-shaped glitter mixes together so you can see what she has to offer. The huge variety that's going to be in this Valentine's Day collection called the Candy Hearts collection. There's just a little bit of everything for everybody. And then moving over to the finer chunky glitter mixes, these three are absolutely stunning. I love Your Spicy, but I also love Treat Yourself. Those are my two favorites out of this. And then you have like the solid shimmers. The two on the right are more sheer and the one on the left is completely opaque. And these are just different glitter mixes. Some are chunkier, some are irregular. There's just a color for every single combo you can think of. And then moving on to the last, these are like the foils and the flakes. These are so easy to work with. I had absolutely no issues working with them. So this is everything for now. I wanted to show you guys the collection so you can make your decision when you guys go to make your purchases today. But don't worry, I plan on doing mani videos. I already have one filmed, I just have to edit it. So you guys are going to see mani videos coming in the coming weeks on ways that I use colors in this collection. So as you guys are receiving your orders, videos will be going up on ways that I use these. I really love this collection. It blew me away. Thank you so much, Soul, for sending these over to me to swatch, to review, and to wear. These are absolutely incredible. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.